The push notification received event is a script executed every time the app receives a push notification while the app is open. This script can be used to perform specific actions in your app as it receives a push notification. In this video, I'll show you how we can use the push notification received event to show a message to a user once a specific type of push notification has been received. First, let's head over to the push notification template we created in an earlier video, and we'll check the settings we set up earlier. As you can see, the identifier is set to greeting. This identifier can be used in our script to identify the type of push notification received. If we check in the Data tab, we can see that this push notification has one data field, the name field, and that will be populated by a value when sending the push notification. With this in mind, let's head over to the push notification service settings and edit the notification received event. First, we should verify that the identifier of the received push notification is the greeting notification by simply using a condition if block and comparing the push identifier with the value greeting. As a next step, we could save the name field from the push notification to a local variable by using the cloud push get data block and specify that the field we would like to read is the name field, then map the value to a new local variable called name value. As a final step, we'll just show this value as a toast message by using the message.toast block. With this done, we've created a simple script that will first verify that the identifier of this push notification is greeting, and if so, it'll get the name data from the notification and finally show this as a toast message. With this done, we can close the visual coding window and save the push notification service. Now we're ready to test this out and see how it works in our app. However, as you may know, receiving push notifications can't be done directly in the Akuro App Studio nor in the Akuro Preview app. To test out how this script works, we'll need to have a native build of the app installed on an actual phone. For Android users, this can be done by downloading the APK to your phone and installing it there. And for iPhone users, you can use Apple Test Flight to test your app before actually publishing it to the Apple App Store. For this demo purpose, I've built a native build of this app and installed it on my Android phone. In an earlier video, we configured an event on the button in our app, which will send a push notification with the name Brandon to one of our app users whenever it's pushed. Let's go ahead and see what happens on the phone when clicking the Send Push Notification button here in our app. As you can see, the toast message is shown directly in our app once it receives the push notification. The same method we used just now can be implemented in many different ways to manage what happens in your app when it receives a push notification.